Hey, welcome to the studio kitchen with me, Chef D. And do you ever think about what you can have fresh for your family? I have the answer. It's called Yesberries. They are grown by Del Fresco Pure down in Kingsville. Greenhouses. They started off in 2017 with 1 acre in the greenhouses. Now they have 19 acres, so they can grow year-round. The great thing is they use a little bit of natural light, and of course they're helped a little bit with some lights in the greenhouses, but they're growing at waist height, so it's easy picking. And the great thing about these berries is they taste like summer. So I was thinking, it's family day weekend. What can you do with the kids that's healthy and kind of different? Okay, can I let you know a little secret about Chef D? When I was a kid, I loved Jello. My mom always made Jello. My grandmother made Jello. Love Jello. They even still have some Jello cookbooks. Just saying. So I thought, why don't we make a strawberry jelly? So we're going to do that today. We're going to take some Ontario maple syrup, which is absolutely fantastic. Again, just healthier than sugar. In that goes. So we're taking about 3/4 cup of maple syrup, and this is going to make enough for 4 people, probably 8-ounce portions. So we're going to take some of our Yesberries. We're going to cut them up. And don't forget, while I'm doing this, you can go on delfrescopure.com, and they have this great website, shows you the greenhouses and how they grow. And these berries, like even now, just cutting them, they smell so great. So we're going to use up to probably a 12-ounce portion, and that's how they're growing. And you can check it out, Farm Boy, Metro, Sobeys, they all carry the great Yesberries. So our strawberries have come up to a boil. Now we're going to add some gelatin to it. Now gelatin comes in 2 forms. It comes in sheets and it comes in a powder. Powder is very easy to work with and very accessible for you to get. You can get it at any grocery store. So what I've done here is I've taken a package and a half, and the rule of thumb is it's 1 package to 2 cups of liquid. So we have about 3 cups here, so I want to do 1 1/2. I'm just going to add a little bit of warm water to this. And what we're doing is we're just mixing and incorporating in our gelatin. You can just see that it's just all incorporating in nicely. I'm going to add it into our strawberries. And then what I do is I take it, and you just have to be a little more careful. And this is where, as a parent, this is, I think, your job. And we're just going to incorporate in the hot strawberries into the bowl just to get all that last gelatin out of it. Stir that together. Oh, and the Yesberries are so great. They're so fresh smelling, and you get the smell of the maple syrup. Okay, one day we truly will have smell-o-vision. It might even be in the next 6 months, and I'm going to trademark that. Anyhow, so here we go. We have it ready to go. Now, what we're going to do is I got some mason jars. You can use any jar you want or any bowl you want. I love mason jars. I think they're really cool and they're funky. So we're just going to take our strawberries and just pour in our liquid, and then you're going to place it in the refrigerator for up to probably about 1 hour to 2 hours for let it to set. And it can set, like you can even make this the day before and serve it that night. In my house, it wouldn't last that long. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and when we come back, it'll be perfectly set. Thanks so much for watching. It's the Studio Kitchen by Chef D. Hey, like us, share us, follow us, and of course subscribe to us. Till next time.